Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 8th March 2025. Political news. Elon Musk's potential entry into Indian market gains momentum. Elon Musk's endeavors to penetrate the Indian market with ventures like Tesla and Starlink have faced challenges, primarily due to high import tariffs and regulatory hurdles. However, recent political developments indicate a potential shift. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's meeting with Musk has opened discussions on collaborations in technology and sustainable development. India's offer of tax incentives for substantial local manufacturing investments could pave the way for Tesla's entry. Nonetheless, Musk's ventures may encounter competition from local electric vehicle manufacturers and stringent telecom regulations concerning satellite internet services. U.S. Commerce Secretary advocates for lower Indian tariffs. U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick has called on India to reduce its high tariffs to facilitate a comprehensive bilateral trade agreement. Highlighting the special relationship between the two nations, Lutnick emphasized the need to reconsider India's tariff structures, which rank among the highest globally. This appeal comes ahead of U.S. President Donald Trump's planned reciprocal tariffs set for early April, potentially affecting sectors like automobiles and agriculture. Both countries aim to resolve tariff disputes and work towards an initial trade agreement segment by fall 2025, targeting $500 billion in bilateral trade by 2030. SEBI chairman commits to enhanced transparency. Tuhin Kanta Pandey, the newly appointed chairman of India's Securities and Exchange Board, SEBI, has pledged to improve transparency by disclosing conflicts of interest among board members. This initiative seeks to build trust among stakeholders. Pandey also underscored SEBI's dedication to fostering an inclusive environment for foreign capital, crucial for infrastructure development. Despite significant foreign investor sell-offs exceeding $27 billion since September 2024, Pandey remains focused on supporting the growth of Indian markets through collaborative efforts involving both domestic and foreign capital. Sports news. India and New Zealand set for Champions Trophy final. India is poised to clinch a record third Champions Trophy in Dubai on Sunday, facing New Zealand in their first major white ball final in 25 years. India has demonstrated exceptional form, winning all 4 of their matches in the UAE, including a victory over New Zealand. Coach Gautam Gambhir emphasized the team's focus on the final, while Captain Rohit Sharma lauded the performance of key players. Despite their strong record, India remains cautious of New Zealand, who have proven to be formidable opponents in past finals. New Zealand's captain, Kane Williamson, acknowledges the challenge but views it as an exciting opportunity, especially after their significant semi-final win against South Africa. The final promises to be competitive, with India aiming to surpass Australia's Champions Trophy wins, while New Zealand looks to leverage their strong spin unit and adaptable strategy. India to host second Asian Yogasana Championship. The Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, in collaboration with the Sports Authority of India, SAI, and Yogasana Bharat, has announced the second Asian Yogasana Championship, scheduled from March 29 to 31, 2025, at the Indira Gandhi Arena in New Delhi. The championship aims to promote Yogasana as a sport on an international platform, bringing together top athletes from across Asia to showcase their skill, agility, and discipline in various competitive categories. This event is a significant step towards establishing Yogasana as a mainstream global sport and creating a pathway for its inclusion in the Olympics. Khelo India Winter Games 2025 in Gulmarg. The Khelo India Winter Games 2025 are set to commence from March 9 to 12 in Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir. Initially postponed due to insufficient snowfall, Recent weather conditions have created an ideal environment for winter sports. The event will feature major competitions in alpine skiing, ski mountaineering, snowboarding, and Nordic skiing, taking place at Kongduri and Gulmarg Club. The Games aim to promote winter sports in India and highlight Jammu and Kashmir's potential as a premier winter sports destination, providing a significant boost to local tourism and the economy. That's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.